How to log in with Apple in Reddit. If you want to use the Reddit application and wondering on how to log in with Apple on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application, just like this. After that, you will find something like this. Now tap onto the profile icon at the top, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find sign up or login. Now simply tap on it. Then here you can find continue with Apple, just right here. Now simply select it. Then tap on to continue. Now you can see it is now shining in. And now you can see you have been logged in with Apple in the Reddit application. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.